Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm doing my squad unboxing a little bit different this time because there was so much in the box that I just wanted to take each section out and focus on each collection so you guys could have a better look at everything. So I am starting with the colorful florals line. It's really pretty, and what I love about it is it's not all flowers like this. There's also some darker Moody flowers and just a bunch of different floral options. So, all right, you guys ready to dig into this? Okay, this is the pen case. It's so pretty. I'll, I just love it. And it would really go great, obviously with this, but it also would go really good with any like solid or a polka dot planner. It would just look so pretty. So I am really excited to use this one. There are also some half sheets which have the flowers in them, and I'll show these a little bit later too, but they've got the florals down the middle of it, which when you stack them together like that, look how pretty that looks. So I'm excited to try those. There's also the colorful florals sticker book. It's super pretty, and I will do a separate flip through so you can really see those. Okay, I'm like, I don't even know where to start. Let's just start with the big one. Let's just start with that. This is the colorful florals. It's a dashboard layout. It's so pretty. Let's start at the beginning. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. I love the stripe detail on the inside. And then this beautiful script with the numbers. It's just so classic and pretty. It's got personal goals, financial goals, and career goals. And then the months all laid out with the weekends shaded. It's got some pretty floral detail. And these are the colors that will be throughout the planner. So green, pink. I want to say there's even some yellow. We'll take a look. So pretty. Alrighty. So this first divider has got gold foil with the yellow. And I love this month. I love this thin script like this. And again, it's nice and simple detailing on it and left open for you to write whatever you want. It's got all of the holidays, super clean layout. And then this again is a dashboard, and it's got the yellow over here and just little detail over here. It's still clean and elegant, but it adds a little pop of color into the planner. I think you're one of two schools. You either love color or you don't want color. There's a lot of people that love to have this color on here, and it does change every month to give you kind of a variety within the planner. So we'll go through the colors, and then I'll just show dividers. So then we've got pink, live life in full bloom. I love this. I just love this artwork. And then this is going to be your pink month with your pink, very, very soft. Then we go into green, where flowers bloom, so does hope, Lady Bird Johnson. And I love this. It's got note to self and check it off. Just very simple and open on your dashboard, so you can do really whatever you want on with them. And then this will have the soft green, kind of like a sage. When we get into October, it's got, just like the cover, these beautiful florals with some blue gold foil. And then this will be the yellow. And we start repeating. So now I'm just going to show you the cool dividers. Stop and smell the flowers every chance you get. And then some just pretty green with white leaves. Plant dreams, pull weeds, and plan a happy life. This is so pretty. I love just the line art with the colors on there. And then again, this is a beautiful floral, no rain, no flowers, and it's got the gold foil on it. Let's check out March. Slow down and soak it up. That's really pretty. I'm going to say that on all of them. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is a gold foil with white line art, and it's got a teal accent on it. I must have flowers always and always. That is so cool. Claude Monet on the black background. It really pops off of there. Just living is not enough, said the butterfly. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. Hans Christian Andersen. That's so cool. Alrighty, and then we've got the green. This is kind of a more graphic with the really bright, bold bottom, and it kind of flips. That's cool with the line art. To live with purpose, to say the courageous things, to celebrate simple gifts, to follow your dreams. This is a happy life. That's really cool. And it's got the polka dots and florals. Perfect combo. This is Bloom, and it's a rose gold foil on there. It's really pretty. Grow through what you go through. Color the world with your own special kind of bloom. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's just a very graphic line art with the black background with white and a yellow accent. Let's check out that back page. Oh, just a notes page with the pretty floral. Okay, and now the classic version of this has the same dividers as the big. Let me get this out of the way. So we can just see we don't need to go through all the dividers. It's the same dividers. Let's just take a look at the layout. All right, so for this first one, it's going to be the yellow again. And this is such a clean, pretty layout. I love the thin lines. It has a hint of color down the spine, but it is a very, very neutral. A lot of times when we've had floral planners in the past, they've had flowers and stuff all over them, and it's a little bit harder when you're going to decorate, but this leaves it wide open to possibilities, and just that hint of color is perfect. And then August will be the soft pink, again, very pale. September is the soft green, and I've noticed that the numbers are a little darker. This stripe down the middle, you almost don't even notice. It's very pretty. And then we go back to the yellow. So that is the colorful florals in the big dashboard and classic vertical. Couldn't even think of the word. Okay. This is the Full Bloom planner. It is a vertical. Let's take a look. A classic vertical. I love this cover too. I love this one too. But I mean, how cute would this be just flipped? You know, use the back side. You could put your name with like purple vinyl. I mean, you could do so much with these. And you guys always come up with the best ideas to customize and make them your own. Okay, wait, I skipped a bunch. I got too excited. Okay, hello. This is really pretty with those florals down the side and then the beautiful script. And it's a soft pale pink. And here we've got the calendar for 2021 and 2022. Again, with a watercolor soft pink. And this has the green and the purple and the pink. I'm guessing this is going to be what we see throughout this planner. Okay, so here's the first one. Really pretty watercolor. I love that the dashboards are open, so you can kind of customize them the way you want. Very clean layout with just some watercolor hints in the corner. And okay, same here. So we've got just a hint of watercolor in the edges and everything is open. So pretty. So we've got purple and dare yourself to dig deeper with a like magenta foil. And then August is like an aqua color. And again, very clean weeks. Let's look at September. Oh, I love these flowers. If you have the stickers, I think it might be in Happy Blooms. I've like hoarded these. I love them so much. And then September is pink. Very, very soft accents. October, we're going to start the patterns over, so I'll just show you dividers. Be careful for small things, big things, and everything in between. Bloom from the heart. Oh, these are just so pretty. And the leaves with the foil. I love that for December because you could even add like, you could add red berries and make them almost like holly. You could add something, Christmas if you wanted to. I'm a seasonal person, so that's where my mind goes when I see these green for December. Okay, and January. Okay. In a field of roses, she is a wildflower. That is so cool. And with the gold foil on there. And think, reflect, discover, create, grow. And the sage with the gold foil on it. April, beautiful flowers. Live life in full bloom. Find your happy. Ooh, grow your own way. And this has silver foil in it with some dots as well. Okay, and July. How rare and beautiful you are. I love this writing with the script and then the typeset. So cool. Okay, let yourself grow. This is that one like the cover. Pretty. Give yourself room to grow. And Born to Bloom with the gold foil. Oh, hello. Let your happiness lead the way. And I'm going to make a very beautiful life for myself no matter what it takes. That's an awesome sentiment. And write it down with a pretty flower. So this one again is, I forgot the name of this guy. Oh, Full Bloom. And it's got gold, or not gold, silver foil on the cover. Let's check out the back. Oh, all the flowers. Alrighty, now up next are some Moody florals. Actually, this one is just like the sticker book. It is the Beauty and Florals, and it's a really pretty deep tones. And this is just gorgeous. So, oh wow, that's different. It's got the like image right there, and you just put your name. I like this, really graphic. It's so pretty. I'm trying not to say cool. And then this is your years at a glance. And then each of the months with the weekends shaded. And here we go. Again, this dashboard is also very simple, very easy to customize, and really pretty. The colors on this, and I hope they come through for you, are so rich and deep. I think that's what's so striking about this planner. Okay, inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Let's take a look. Like the most clean calendar. Nothing, not even a detail over here. Just black and white, simple. And the same thing for the weeks. So this is like the most neutral you could possibly get, which I love in my planning because I can create anything I want with my stickers and I don't have to worry about anything, clashing or whatever. It's fun to have color sometimes. That's why I like to mix it up and Frankenplan. Okay, happiness is enjoying life. You are capable of amazing things. Look at the gold foil. The color is just so rich. Follow your heart. I love this design. Surround yourself with beauty. So that's like the cover with the gold foil. Be a difference maker. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. Good days are coming. I just love the graphic letters and words on here. Just so pretty. Life is a journey, a beautiful and tough journey, but you keep going and you push through. You already made it this far. Imagine what else you could do. Cherish life's best moments. That's neat with the little tiny detail, the little floral. Why am I daring? Oh my gosh, I'm staring at this like, wait, what? D-A-R-I-N-G, daring. That's neat. And it's got the diamond. Okay. Every path you cross can change the direction of your life. So true. Life isn't just about creating yourself. It's for discovering who you truly are meant to be. You make the world a more beautiful place. There's the just pretty graphic. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. Those flowers I think are my favorite. Have a grateful heart. In December, choose joy. Let's check out that back page. Oh, that's so... I need a whole pad of this paper. I need a whole pad of this. Oh, that's cool. And then the back has just the small detail floral on the black. And here's some more florals. And again, these are more of the photorealistic florals. And this one is called Moody Florals. I actually feel like this isn't as moody and dark as the last one. I feel like this one has a variety and a variation to it. Let's start with the big because you can see everything a lot bigger on that. This one is a horizontal layout. So when you open it up, it's got the floral detail with the stripes. And hello, this happy planner belongs to your years at a glance with personal, financial, and career goals. We've got all of the months with the shaded weekends. All right, so let's see. This has, oh, these are cool. Like, so, I forgot what these are called. They're not daisies, but Lazy Susans. I'm not sure. But I love the bright graphic yellow with the black. And then this has that yellow detail like the other planner that we saw. And so this is going to have yellow lines going across for the horizontal. Your future looks bright. And the pale pink with the pale pink lines. So the details on this look a lot like I think it was the colorful florals insides. See, this is what I mean. To me, this is not moody. I just think this is like fun and fresh. Send love and flowers. How neat. I love the brick and the bag with the flowers, and the lettering is gorgeous. Oh, these are really pretty too. Oh, I forgot to show the month. This is the weeks with the green. And then we've got this floral, and now it's going to start over. So we'll just look at the dividers. Every day is a fresh start. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. But see what I'm saying? It's not all dark and moody. I think this one is just kind of a classic beautiful floral. Grow through what you go through. Earth laughs in flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. This is so pretty. That lettering is stunning. Wild and free. I think this one gives you like a variety, like of style with all the floral dividers. I must have flowers always and always. Claude Monet. Oh, this is bloom where you're planted, like gold foil overlaying those pink florals. Hope, dream, believe with some beautiful tulips. Focus on the good. Collect beautiful moments with the gold foil. Oh, I love this one. And it's my birthday month. How perfect is that? Look at those gorgeous flowers, that bouquet. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. That is just really neat. Do what makes you happy. And bloom. Let's check out the last little page here. So very simple. Do all the things with the line art going down the side column. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found a planner that you love in this beautiful floral collection. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. I would love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you can see all of the fun videos within this Squad Box collection. Thanks so much and have a great day.